Hello guys, I'm Maya and this is Logan, and today we are gonna be doing a Dollar Tree shopping challenge, only fidgets. But this is gonna make it even more challenging. We have to like hold the stuff, so if we drop something, we can't get it. So let's go. Okay guys, I found some fidgets. And I'm looking for some more. These are fidgets, but I'm still going to buy this. I need so close. Let's go. Oh. So we found some fidgets. Still looking for a little bit more and just like scanning the area.
Have a manager to register for, please.
These are the things that I got.
These are the things I got too. Look,
I can't really show
Barbie
it
clothes.
to you. I dropped grape. Me dropped grape. So I don't get a ticket. Guys, we are going to be doing the haul now. To let you know, I got a bird like a couple weeks ago. And comment down below if you want more videos of Mango. Oh, and she's a girl, and her name's Mango, and she's a green cheek conure. Okay.
Yeah, and I love the bird. Yes, because I think she's got by my earrings.
She's giving me kisses. Oh. So first, Mango, what are you doing? First, we have this Orbeez ball. Yeah, Mango? Mango, say yeah. Okay, she doesn't want to say yeah right now. But we got this Orbeez ball. It's a red dog. And we also got a purple, I think it's a dog. Yeah, it's a purple dog. And it's filled with Orbeez too. We have another purple dog. I think this is Logan's. Logan, this one's yours.
Yeah, what?
That one's yours. And we have a strawberry Orbeez ball. Let's see, do we have more Orbeez? Yes. I have no idea what this is. I think it's a raspberry. Comment down below if you know what this is. Okay.
Hi, and these are my stuff. Look. Pulling off the shoe.
And we also have this blue unicorn.
And
Mango's
yeah,
very
I love
interested
that.
in
I bought it. Now you can introduce that.
Okay, so we have this blue unicorn. It's okay. It's okay, Mango.
Good boy, Teddy.
Good girl.
Good boy, Teddy.
She flew away.
Yeah, and remember the shoe I found that.
Okay. We got this green cat, and it's filled with Orbeez too. And I got this. So I think it's like those like toxic cans, but like it's not toxic. It's like black slime. They had more of these, but I wanted black. And I also got this duck poppet. These are all the fidgets I ended up getting. You want Mango to show you a trick? Mango, ready? These are all the stuff I got, and they're opened, and look at this cool slime. And this, and the puppies, the doll. Dance, Mango. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Good bird. Mwah.
Mango, dance. Like Mango. She likes that.
Good bird. Thank you for watching our fidget shopping challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.